The first step to this is you're going to saute up some spinach. Just put it in there on low with a little bit of oil. Now I shove those over to the side. Just going to throw an egg in here. Next, we're just going to flip this little eggie over. Now we just put the egg on top. With the spinach, and we just roll this up, you know, like this pretty much, and wrap this side under, and then we wrap this side around, and you're ready to eat.